Hello everyone and happy Fact Friday. My name is Desiree King, broker of record for King's Downsizing and Estate Services and founder of King's Golden Years Concierge Services, where we support seniors and their families through major life transitions and help them enjoy the lifestyle rewards that come with retirement. Today's Fact Friday topic is why cruising is one of the best travel options for seniors. And I'm speaking from real-time experience. I'm currently on board the Royal Caribbean, Serenade of the Seas, cruising through the Southern Caribbean as we speak. Fact number one, cruising is all-inclusive and stress-free. One price includes your accommodations, meals, entertainment, and transportation between destinations. You unpack once and wake up somewhere new every day. No airports, no hauling luggage, and no complicated logistics. Fact number two, cruises are senior-friendly and accessible. Modern cruise ships are designed with seniors in mind. Elevators and ramp access throughout. Mobility scooter rentals. Wheelchair-accessible staterooms and bathrooms. Staff available to assist when needed. Cruising supports comfort, not strain. Fact number three, medical support is on board. There are licensed doctors and nurses on board every ship. However, that convenience comes with a cost. On this cruise, an initial doctor consultation was $288 USD. Here's a tip. Consider travel insurance for peace of mind. Fact number four, cruises promote community and joy. Cruises offer a built-in social environment, trivia and dance classes, art workshops and cooking demos, live shows, and group dining. Many seniors make new friends on board. Cruising brings connection. Fact number five, cruising can be budget friendly. When you compare it to hotels, transportation, food, entertainment, cruising often costs less. But there are two budget factors from my trip. Mandatory gratuities. This was $18.50 USD per person. And Wi-Fi is extra, about $250 USD for one device. Here's a tip. Buy one internet package and switch the connection between devices to save money. Fact number six, dining accommodations are excellent. Cruises support diabetic, gluten-free, vegetarian, low sodium, and kosher diets. And the best part is, you don't cook, you don't clean, you simply enjoy. At King's Golden Years Concierge Services, we partner with trusted and vetted travel agents who specialize in senior and accessibility travel. They handle the details, the cabin selection, accessibility needs, and dining preferences, so you can focus on creating memories. Your retirement should be filled with ease, adventure, and joy. With cruising, you truly can have it all. Thank you for joining me for Fact Friday. Until next week, enjoy your golden years gracefully.